Good morning, pupils! Today, I am going to discuss about the types of weather. Our subject matter is types of weather. The objectives are, at the end of the 45 minutes, you will be able to identify and describe the different weather condition. Next, you are going to draw different weather conditions. And lastly, you are going to appreciate the importance of safety measures during different weather conditions. Are you ready? Okay. So, weather is the condition of the atmosphere in a given place at a certain time. The conditions of the weather may change within a short period of time. Sometimes in a matter of minutes and sometimes in a matter of hours or days. There are factors that affect the weather. The first one is the air temperature. It pertains to the hotness and the coldness of air on any given time. When the temperature is high, it may tell you that you will experiencing sunny weather. If the temperature is low, it means that the weather will be cloudy, windy, rainy, or stormy. Another factor that affects the weather is the presence of clouds at the atmosphere. The 5 weather conditions are sunny, rainy, windy, stormy, and cloudy. The first is a sunny day. It is a sunny day when the sun is shining. The air is warm and the wind is weak. But be sure to bring umbrella and wear sunglasses to avoid sunburn. Ang sana sunburn? Kanang paslot imong kamot or imuhang panit. It is a rainy day when the sun cannot be seen. The clouds are dark and the rain is falling. You should bring umbrella or wear raincoat. Don't play under the rain. You might get sick. The next is windy day. It is a windy day when the sun is shining. Clouds are slightly dark or clear and the air is blowing hard. Kanang, saan blowing hard? Kanang kusog ang hangin pero wala ning ulan. You can fly kites, but be careful. Dust will enter into your eyes. The third is cloudy day. When the sun is not seen and there are plenty of slight clouds, yet the rain is not falling. It is beautiful day to play. Kana bang unsa nang cloudy day? Kanang nagdag-umbra pero wala ni ulan. But please avoid too much playing. Nganuman kung magpalabit tag dula, magkasakit gihapon ta. Kasabot, our next type of weather is stormy day. It is a stormy day when there is a heavy rain and strong wind blowing so hard. Kanang bagyo, ting bagyo. So this time, you will need to evacuate, especially if your house is made up of light materials or the location of your home is a flood-prone area. Do you get it? Stormy day, trees and house might be destroyed. Many families lost their homes. No clothes to wear and food to eat. How are you going to help them? So we need to get them food to eat, water, and use clothes to wear. Okay, thank you for listening.